Hello, we are at 12520 East Kit Carson Place, Tucson, Arizona 85749. Tucson, Arizona, in 49ers Country Club, my old stomping grounds. And this lovely abode is 3,182 square feet and is all on one level, and 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, built in 1978, and it's on 0.68 acres. And so we'll go inside. I went in and turned on the lights, and it's a beautiful, lovely, gorgeous neighborhood in here. I do miss living in here. It was a great place to raise the boys. Just at holidays, you have these large mesquite trees. It's the world's largest mesquite tree grove. It's just massive. I mean, these trees, and it's very green and pretty. Very nice. There's a lot of wells and whatnot in here. There's also a golf course community. So this house looks like it's been fixed up quite nice. I am filming this in like 1080p instead of 4K, only so that you can I can upload it quicker and get it to you, and then I'll try to call and do a immediate FaceTime with you, but so it'll be more live. I know you guys just went home, but otherwise it would take forever to upload this video. So I just got a text back from the agent that was listing this place. Said that there are no offers currently on this place, so just a lot of inquiries. Looks like they've taken really good care of it, or fixed it up nicely painted, nicely cared for. Nice new windows. You can tell these windows are newer, but I went inside. It's nicely appointed. So without further ado, oh, one more thing before I go inside. There's the country club right up the road, and it's a great place to go to grab a bite to eat or whatnot. We go there quite often for their Friday fish fry. We'll meet the folks there. So we're going inside. You're immediately greeted by a skylight. So you'll want to make sure that you put 1080p on the settings. You go down to the little settings icon and put 1080p, because it might automatically play in like 380 or something p, or so you want the clearest, even though it's not going to be the absolute 4K, but it'll be clear enough for you. So you walk in, and this is one of those homes that's definitely nicer being here than it is in the pictures, for sure. The tile is nicer in person than it is in the pictures, because I'm looking at the video. So you have this TV room here. It's like a great room, living room, very nicely appointed. And a couple little steps here. They have a dining room here. It's got a little sitting area here around the fireplace that looks like it's been updated. And again, I can zoom in on that. And then over here to the right, you have the kitchen, which, oh, there are the lights. The kitchen countertop is pretty nice. Again, in person, it looks a little bit different. These kitchen cabinets are nice wood. So you have nice double ovens here, and I will back off there so you can see GE double ovens, oven or cooktop gas. So there's gas right in the middle here of the island. You have a little place here to store stuff, pull outs Really nice. Plenty of room in the pantry here. Big pantry. You go to Costco and stock up there. Again, newer windows, really nice. And let's check out, yep, pull-outs there. Plenty of drawers. A little bit older cabinets, but still in good shape. Looks like these are real wood and could be sanded down and probably refinished. You know, they're kind of nice. So yeah, there you have it. You know, a little place to hang things there. Cool, that does obviously not pull out, but yeah, nice. And again, this overlooks this great room. So far, so you know, so cool. So far, so cool. There's a laundry room. I'm gonna go around the other way because that's the way I originally went to turn on lights. And yeah, we'll go this way. And I did not go down this way, so it is a little dark down here. I did not turn on lights down here. So you got one room here with a walk-in closet and nice views. There's golf course views out there. Oh my gosh, very nice. And again, walk-in closet, very neat. I'm gonna hurry up the video here. This goes outside to the patio. I'm starting to love this floor plan, older home, liking it a lot. Cool. They could get a new countertop there and call it a day. It's got some drawers. Maybe tile the back of that. Call it another day. We'll call that a weekend. So here, closet, linens and games in there. Oh, look at this. There's another bathroom. So there must be the fourth. And another walk-in. Look at that. Walk-in closets everywhere. Somebody was thinking when they built this place. Geez. So you got a bedroom over here. And this is a Jack and Jill. So, well, you don't turn on the light there, so. Again, countertop here. And then over here, there's a door. So you can tile the back of that. This is really nice. Jeez. Was not expecting this. And these wood doors. So you got these rooms. This is a good sized room here. I will have to text this agent back and see if they're going to be accepting offers like right away, or they're going to just wait for the highest and best over the weekend. That's a newer unit for sure. So here is the laundry room that went into the kitchen. So washer, dryer. Again, they even replaced this little window looking out to the front. And there's a pocket door. So this goes out to the garage. They have a TV and some exercise equipment here. Lift master. 2-car garage. Plenty of storage. Probably goes all the way through to over there. So you could either open that up or just utilize that storage. Goes back probably about 4 feet as I step, and there's no step. Very nice, Craig. Even granite in here. Again, the granite's much prettier in person than it is coming through on the video there. So we'll go through to the primary suite. It's a split bedroom plan. There is another bathroom here. And this is just a half bath. Again, this window looks up and out. So this toilet is, look at that, is a self-closed, soft close, and it's for potty training for little kids. So you got a couple closets going on here. You got one here. This is definitely Dennis's. This is, yeah, this is gonna be for all his gear. And then you have Christie's right here. Just kidding. Right here. There you go. So his and her closet, that's very nice right there. I will turn around. You have this very large, ample sized primary suite. This house is nice. You have these beams up here, and then a fireplace. You gotta love the fireplace. And then this goes outside. It is a little bit overcast. I think we have a monsoon coming in, so it's a little bit darker than it would normally be. And again, the wood doors. So you have a tub. And then there's a wall out there. Wow. Right there. And so there's privacy there. And a lot of bees or something going on there, I don't know. And so yeah, you have a tub here, and then shower, which again could be easily redone. And then his and her vanity. Pretty cool. Two sinks. Very nicely done. I like how they did the stagger on the tile. The tile's large. And so without further ado, again, these are nice too. These beams, these pillars. Very nice job on this house. Little pet door there. We will go outside and check out the yard. So there is a pool, very large, long stretch of a patio here. Lots of shade. This is southern, and right out there is a mountain view. So when the leaves fall in the fall, you will have more of a mountain view, but you have it right now. I mean, it's there. So as the lighting changes, you're going to get that. And then there's a golf course out there. And this yard is very serene and peaceful. This is pretty cool. So I had zoomed that in probably too much. So that's normal view right there. So we'll go look at this pool. It's in good shape. This whole house is in good shape. I mean, I am no home inspector, but I've seen hundreds, well, thousands of homes. And this one's in good shape. This one's got a little bit of wood rot right there. I got a guy. Not a problem. Totally fixable. That is expected. You don't expect the house to be perfect. The roof up there, the parapet looks like the roof has been recently done. So they were obviously preparing, yeah, even this wall has been painted recently. So let's look and see what we got going back here. There's the pool equipment. There's the pool pump. That's the sand filter. And got something going on over there. I am going to, in real grass. And again, lots of room out there to play frisbee, and just about everybody in this neighborhood had a golf cart, has a golf cart. There is a place here to put up view fencing, or not view fencing, but safety fencing, I should say. They took it down probably to sell the house. So we will go this way and take a peek. This is the door to the primary. So here's the side yard. So you could plant bushes there if you really wanted to block those people out. You got all kinds of... I almost bought that house at one time, long time ago. There's the newer AC unit and a filtration system. So this house is like rock and roll, ready to go. So that is pretty much it. I am going to wrap this one up and get it uploaded. We're at 15 minutes and a few seconds. Talk to you soon. Bye.